Hello there YouTube, hope that you're having a fantastic day, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix that message crash bug that I showed you earlier today. And basically it's the same process, but of course I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to leave all the links in the description just as usual. Now it is the same link that the bug comes from, but you do not want to copy the link. You just want to go over. You want to see the blue text, click it, it says Vindez.3. Now this little pop-up will come up, it says open this page in messages. Now this is only for if you get it. This isn't gonna, you're not gonna be able to send this to somebody else to fix their phone, but if somebody sends the bug to you and your phone starts messing up, this is the way to fix your phone. And it's not that easy, it's not that hard. I mean, you go to the website, click the link, gives you a pop-up, and it's simple as gives you a contact, you click the little send button, boom. It says that it hasn't sent, it's supposed to do that, you're good. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you leave a thumbs up, leave a like, comment down below for more video ideas, and peace out. See you next time.